Hey guys, Lily back again at Hong Kong Fintech Week. I am now speaking to Andrew Coles of Finastra. How are you doing today, Andrew? Enjoying the conference?
Yeah, very much so.
Yeah, so you guys have had like a lot of speakers and a lot of involvement with the event today, haven't you?
Yeah, we've really invested our time in the Hong Kong Fintech Week this week. We've been involved in the Cyberport visit, where we've got a partnership with Cyberport. We have our regional centre of banking excellence. We've had speakers here talking on panels. We've had lots of great people come through the booth and participate in some great conversations with everyone going on here.
Yeah, we were chatting earlier about how you guys have like your fingers in all these pies, and you're like really becoming like a connector of all these different technologies, all these different startups. So can you tell us about the technology platform that is like allowing that to happen?
So Finastra is a 40-year-old software company that specializes in providing banking software solutions. We've got about 48 of the top 50 banks are using at least one of our solutions somewhere to manage their mission-critical banking applications.
Yeah.
And as a company, we are on a mission now to become the #1 financial platform for open collaboration and innovation. So we've taken our core banking application expertise and we've enabled those core services through REST APIs, and we've developed something that we call FusionFabric.cloud. Now, FusionFabric.cloud is a cloud-based low-code development environment, which we've opened up to fintechs, we've opened up to universities, students, SIs, banks, IT teams, so they can build and extend on that core banking capabilities by getting access to those APIs, as well as this low-code development environment. We then have a thing called Fusion Operate. So once they've built those applications, they actually have a runtime environment which is provided by Microsoft Azure. So a secure, robust cloud environment with industrial scale capabilities. And then we have our store concept. So we have Fusion Store, where these guys can monetize and sell those applications onto our community of banks.
Okay, so in some way it's almost, if you'll allow me the sort of analogy, is this almost like a Salesforce play where like you're building the platform that's enabling the future, right?
Exactly. Think about it as force.com for the financial world.
Yeah, no, that's really cool. And so you guys come with this very strong banking pedigree, right? So not only are people getting access to your great technology, but they're able to like leverage the relationships that you bring.
Yeah, it's the relationships as well as it's our domain expertise. What we often find with these fintechs is they have this great idea, but they just don't have that deep domain expertise in the banking processes. So we work in a collaboration mode. So we can co-innovate, we can work with these guys in building out their ideas. We participate in running hackathons, for instance, and we get the fintech community together. We can co-locate and co-develop, so we can work together. We can give them that business knowledge expertise that they might not have. And then we have our co-go-to-market strategies. Like I say, we've got a community of 9,000 banks on our books. An amazing community for a small company, a small fintech company to get access to and to start kind of direct selling into that kind of market. It's incredible.
Yeah, no, it's that inside access that you're also selling alongside the expertise. So, no, tell us then, because if the future of finance and fintech is this like open sort of collaborative thing, what is Finastra's hope then? No, we've got this platform. What do you think the next couple of years is going to be? What do you think is like on the horizon that's going to be even more exciting?
Oh, well, that's a great question. I mean, what we see right now is just an advancement of things such as AI, cognitive technologies, cloud computing. I mean, these aren't new. These have been around for a while. But the availability now and the cost effectiveness now means that we can actually see real world applications of these technologies all the way through the financial ecosystem. They're no longer just a scientific project that's been running away. You know, they're being used now, they're being adapted now, and they're solving real world problems. We see the new technologies, the adoption of DLT and blockchain in trade finance that we announced here. We see the progression to that, which is completely revolutionizing some of these old banking industries. Who knows where we're going to be in 5 years' time, to be honest. We didn't know we'd be here 5 years ago. Who knows where we're going to be in 5 more years.
Yeah. So it's almost like we're at this inflection point where we're finally realizing the potential of all these technologies, and that's why it's such an exciting time in fintech, right?
There's never been such a focus and attention on this space, and so many people looking to innovate, so many people looking at using technologies to solve real-world problems. No, it's a very exciting time. Yeah,
well, thank you so much for joining me.
Pleasure.
And thank you, Finastra, for like really setting up this awesome stuff. Guys, stay tuned. We've still got more videos coming from our coverage of Hong Kong Fintech Week. Subscribe, hitting that button below.